Hi there, just wanted to film a very quick video to show you how to insert your brand new MicroSD Express card into your, what I assume will be, brand new Nintendo Switch 2. If, like me, you just got a brand new Nintendo Switch 2, you're going to want to get a MicroSD card. Now, the memory or the storage capacity on the Nintendo Switch 2 is, to be fair, very generous. I think it's around about 250 gig. I've not looked into it because I literally just got this yesterday. Plenty of room there. Downloaded all my games from my Nintendo Switch 1 and there's still plenty of room in there. But, you know, eventually that's going to fall away and eventually you are going to want to, or I am going to, a SD card. Now, the thing about the Nintendo Switch 2, because it is very new technology, it uses a brand new type of SD card, which is the MicroSD Express. Now, this is different from the standard MicroSD cards in that basically it's able to achieve higher read and write speeds than the standard SD card. This SD card is able to read and write a speed that is very close to your solid state drive that you get in your Xboxes, PCs, etc. So yeah, you're going to want to get this. I've gone for the 256 gigabyte capacity simply because, you know, I'm going to want to have a reasonable amount of room, but I'm also, because my Switch isn't my main device, I tend to go for the smaller, more retro type of games, as you can probably see here. So hence, I'm not going to need like your terabytes of space. So yeah, so I've gone for the Samsung model. As you can see, it's got a lovely picture of Mario on there, so you know, and it's got the Nintendo Switch colouring there, along with the Nintendo seal of approval, so you know it's going to work and it's going to be fine. I'm not going to tell you what an SD card is. You already know what an SD card is, so let's just crack open this bad boy. This is the embarrassing bit where it takes me forever to get into the SD card. God, normally I don't open stuff like this. Normally I'm very careful, but for you guys, I'm tearing it open. So let's go ahead and get the actual SD card out here. Hello. Yeah, there we go. Pops out, doesn't it always, when you've got the camera on. So yeah, here it is. It's exactly the same as a regular micro SD card. A couple of extra pins on the back there. I don't think you get those pins at the bottom there on a regular SD card. So what you want to do to actually install your SD card, you want to be looking at the bottom of the Switch 2 here. You want to lift up your little flap. Ooh. And there, right there, I don't know if you can see it, there's a little symbol for your SD card. So all you do, you go and grab your SD card, pop it in, nice and gently. Don't ever force these things, just let the the design of the console or take the card for you. And there you go, look, it says it's recognised the card straight away and it wants to do a system update. Obviously, I'm not going to run through that system update on camera because there's absolutely no point. But yeah, so there you go. Just show you, obviously, the Samsung MicroSD Express 250 gig. I can see working, no problem. So that's my video. Thank you very much.